Hello and welcome to Affinity. Sometimes we have a picture, it's mostly okay, the lights are kind of okay, the darks are okay, but you just want to do a little bit to the midtones. And a way of doing that is the middle bump, which if we start with curves, bring that up here, we can see here that the bottom end here is okay, there's top end, there's some almost burn there, but we're looking here, this is kind of a bit flat here maybe. So we want to pull up the middle a little bit. And the way to do this is we anchor off the top end with just points on here, 3 points will do. And if you're missing one, you can always just jiggle it around a bit till it gets there. Put 3 down here in an appropriate place. And now we've got the middle, we can play around with this little bit by ourselves. Okay, obviously going down is going to be a bit weird, but if we go from the center and just bring it up a little bit, what we get, we're lifting the middle. See the middle midtones are coming up, and it's not affecting the darks, it's not affecting the lights because we've protected those both. And we just bring it up so there's a bit more of what we want. Don't overdo it, but there we go. And here the difference between off and on. You go off and on. Just a little bit. Maybe give it just a little bit more to taste. Might be a bit much there. Sometimes when we do this it changes the colour and we can do something else like pull the saturation down a little bit. Anyway, there we go. That was a quick and easy one. It's the middle bump curve. Thanks for watching.